Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you the syllabus of the BCA first semester as per the CBSE scheme of Gulbarga University, Gulbarga. Now you can see for the first semester of the BCA, there will be a subject AECC 1A is the paper code, and the subject title is Kannada, or you may choose Hindi. It is for 100 marks and 80 external and 20 internal. Total credits are 3. Similarly, AECC 1B is English 1, that is for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal, and it is also having 3 credits. The third paper AECC 1C is Environmental Studies, and this is for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internal, and it is having 2 credit points. The next subject is discipline specific course subject, that is DSC 1A, computer fundamentals for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal, and it is having 4 credits. The DSC 2A paper is problem solving using C programming, that is for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal, and it is having 4 credits. Similarly, DSC 3A is digital electronics for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal, and it is having 4 credits. In practical section, DSC 1A paper, that is computer fundamental lab, is for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internals, and it is having 2 credits. DSC 2A practical paper 2, that is problem solving using C lab, for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internal. It is having 2 credits. DSC 3A practical 3 digital electronics lab, for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internal, and credits are 2. So total credits are 26 for the first semester, and total marks for the first semester is 700. DSC 1A computer fundamental paper is having 4 units. The first unit is all about the introduction of the computer system, uses and types, and also the data representation of the computer system, which is called number systems of the computer system. In unit 2, you will learn the human computer interference, that is the types of software, operating systems, OCR, and other input output devices, etc. Unit number 3, in the third unit, the memory, you will learn what is primary memory, secondary memory, the detail of the primary and secondary memory, and the various memories of the computer system, and also computer organization and architecture. The fourth unit, overview of emerging technologies. Emerging technologies like Bluetooth, cloud computing, big data, data mining, mobile computing, embedded systems, etc. And also the uses of computer in education and research. And some of the reference books are given at the bottom. A. Goel, Computer Fundamentals. P. Aksoya, Introduction to Information Technology, etc. Practical of the computer fundamental is the lab assessment shall be carried out to implement the techniques and methods which you study in the DSC 1A computer fundamentals paper. The second paper is DSC 2A problem solving using C. In problem solving using C also, you will be having 4 units. The first unit about the basic of C, and second unit is about the input and output statements of the C, and also you will learn the array and strings. The third unit about the functions and the pointers of the C. Fourth unit, you will study the user defined data types, and also the file systems, about the files. Okay, the reference books are Balguru Swami Programming in ANSI C, MT Somshekhar, Problem Solving with C, etc. And you will carry out the programs or the methods and techniques which you study in the programming solving using C program. DSC 3A is the digital electronics, which consists 4 units. First unit about digital computer and digital system. Second unit about simplification of Boolean functions. Third unit about adders, and fourth unit about the registers. The reference books are Morris Mano, Digital Logic and Computer Design, Floyd and Jane, Digital Fundamentals, and other reference books are given. As per the digital electronics subject, the methods which you study is carried out into the lab. Lab assessment shall be carried out based on the paper DSC 3A, that is digital electronics. So kindly like my video, subscribe and share. Thank you.